In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect music to your Audi Q5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish a Bluetooth connection with your Audi. Keep in mind that even though I'm going to be talking about the Q5 specifically, this process will also work with any other models. So you will need to use Bluetooth to get this done. After you establish a Bluetooth connection between a smartphone and the Audi, you can play any songs directly on your smartphone and it is going to be played back on the Audi. So to start, use the dashboard and then go over to the tel function, aka telephone. So you can either tap on this button here or navigate through the menu with any other method that you have. Basically, you have to go over to the telephone tab. When you go here, usually it is going to prompt you to connect the device right away. So in here, choose search for new cell phone. If pressing the tel button doesn't work or you don't have this button, then just navigate through all of the options until you reach telephone and then find Bluetooth. You will be able to follow these same steps. Once you choose find new device, it is going to look for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your smartphone. So this will work for both Android and iOS. I'm showing the process on an iOS device, but the same thing can be done for Android. Go over to settings, choose Bluetooth and enable it. Now, if you are in close proximity, you should be able to find your Audi under other devices. So once you see it here, simply tap on it and the connection will be established. You might have to confirm a PIN code, so double check the screen to see if there are any codes displayed, like these numerical digits, and as long as you connect it through this window, it is going to remain connected and you can use the music functions as I've mentioned before. With the phone connected, play anything you'd like and it is going to be sent over to the Audi Q5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect music to Audi Q5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.